Hey, it's Horner, and this little video will show you how to get into Delta Math and do some basic tasks. So you'll want to go to deltamath.com. Super easy to do. When you're there, you'll want to just choose the login. So go ahead and click it. You don't want to sign in using a username and password. Instead, go ahead and use login with Google. This is a single sign-on, which means that you'll go through the school account and you'll be able to get in without any trouble. You want to choose your wwsk12.in.us email and go ahead and click on that, and that will allow you to log in. When you come in at first, you'll notice that all of the courses have been selected. So to pick your course, go ahead and go into the 9 checked up at the top and say uncheck all. At that point, you'll see 6th, 7th, 8th grade, Algebra 1, Geometry, Algebra 2, Pre-Calc, Calc, and Computer Science. So you'll want to choose whichever course you are teaching. And once you do that, you will see all of the different units that Delta Math has to offer. If you want to see all the subtopics below at one time, you can just click on Expand All, and that will expand them all so you can see all of, they call these skills. Once you see the skills, if you want to take a look and see what kind of questions are in those skills, you can just go ahead and click on that skill and it will show you the question. Question mark just means that that's a question that is in the program itself. There are help videos for each one of the questions, and so if you click on the watch help video, that video will show up in the student screen, and then they can go through and watch and listen to how to go through and do that particular type of problem, but not the exact same problem. So pretty simple thing to do. If you want to hide the video, you just click Hide Video. You'll notice that your name should appear here. And the other thing you can do on this is some of these have different problem types for this particular skill. And so I can click on that. For this one was, the skill was name a line segment, or array. And so when you click on the current type, you'll see you can choose either just line, or you can choose line segment, or you can choose array. And all three of those will come up. If you get to a line problem, and let's say I don't like the letters that are on this one, I want to see something similar, I can just hit similar problem. Let's say that I use this problem and I want another one, I can hit similar problem again, and I want one that's pointing down to the right, so I just keep hitting similar problem until I find what I want. The students, for geometry, there are symbols, and the symbols are a bar. You've got a double arrow, a vector to the right, and a vector to the left. So if students are answering this question, they want the students to name the figure below in 2 different ways. So they have to type capital letters on this one. If they don't, it will tell them to please use capital letters. But we can put in CB here, and then let's just do BC, and then we'll want to put that line above. Once they do that, then they'll hit Submit Answer. It'll say, are you sure you want to submit it? And you'll say yes. If they get it right, the question mark turns into a check. It also shows them their solution as well as all of the solutions that are possible for this problem. And so that's just kind of a basic how to get in and how to look at different problems or skills. You can go back and you can see the rest of the skills.